What is up, guys? It's Freeman coming at you guys with another quick video. I figured today I would pull out the camera. I've had this pair of YEEZY Zebras that I got to clean up for you guys. I've done these a handful of times. The results are pretty dang good. I want to share my secrets with you guys and really just kind of show you how I clean it. So the basis of the video, we'll give the uppers a full wash. We'll give the bottoms a wash, and then we're going to do maybe 1 to 2 sessions under my UV light. Get a little bit of this yellowing out. I'll clean one shoe. That way you guys can see how far the shoes really come, and then leave one of the shoes really dirty to kind of show you guys a comparison. So yeah, let's go ahead and hop into this video. So here's a secret for you guys, something that I highly recommend that I use, although Reshoevn8or, Jason Mark, all those expensive shoe cleaners, personally, it's just a waste of damn money. Save yourself the hassle and just find things at home. So literally, my concoction is you get a cup, not even a cup, maybe just barely a little bit of Tide soap into the really hot water. I like to use this stuff right here. It's just Walmart brand OxyClean. Do a scoop of that in there. Nothing fancy here, guys. And then I get my fork, mix this concoction up. Alright, so once we have the concoction mixed, the only thing I would recommend from Reshoevn8or is their brushes. These are kind of hard just to find. So start with your stiff bristle brush on the bottom. Then we're going to start with the soft bristle brush. After we go through with the soft bristle brush, you're going to hit the uppers with the medium bristle brush. And then something I highly recommend when it comes to cleaning shoes is a shoe tree insert, especially on this cloth type upper. It's really going to kind of help give it some friction so you can go ahead and clean those bad boys. So I'll throw the time lapse on, take the laces off the shoe, and start cleaning her up for you guys. Alright, y'all, so that's literally just after scrubbing her down with the soft bristle brush. One head got the bottom scrubbed down. So last thing we'll do, well, not last thing, we'll hit it with a medium bristle brush, and then we'll throw this bad boy in the washer, and then pull that crap out, let it dry, and then sauce the bottoms. So let's go ahead and start with the medium bristle brush. Now a little trick with these laces is I let them soak in here. Get them between your hands and just scrub the crap out of them to loosen up a little bit of that dirt. And then we'll go ahead and throw it in our laundry bag and start a cycle on the shoe. Alright, so now we have the YEEZY. We're going to take it to my laundry room, which is literally right outside my door. And then the trick to this is when you wash it, I just do about that much soap, just Tide soap. Pour it on top, throw the lid in there. Now as far as your settings go, I always do normal, medium soil level, 1 rinse, and then every washer should have a setting. I do tap cold. And then we let it do its thing. Alright guys, so now that the shoes are clean, go ahead and pull it out of your laundry bag. I put a shoe tree in there while it dries just to kind of shape it. But let's throw a shoe tree in here really fast. It's even going to look cleaner once it gets more and more dry. There you go, uppers are nice and cleaned. So now we're going to go ahead and put some sauce on the bottom of these and just do a mini session. We don't need to do anything crazy. Probably 4 hours under my UV light. It'll kind of get some of this yellowing out. Client didn't even ask for that. I'm just hooking it up for him because I'm doing a video for YouTube. Speaking of sauce, let me show you what I use. So in the past, I've always just used Salon Volume Cream. I've learned finally after doing this for 6 months. You know, it's a great alternative. It's cheap, but it really only gets you so far. When people make soul sauce, they know what the hell they're doing, right? They put additives in there that I don't even know how it works. This is what I use. It's called CCK sauce. Shout out to Chris Custom Kicks. Makes a really, really good soul sauce, and it smells really minty. So that's always kind of a good thing about it. So I'll go ahead and smear some on the bottom of these, throw it under my little UV light for 4 hours, and then call it a day on this YEEZY restoration. Alright, so I got the shoe all wrapped up. I put the CCK sauce on there. Here's my indoor setup. So I went ahead and got a fish tank, lined it with some foil insulation. I went to eBay and bought this LED UV ray light. The hue of light you want to go for is like a purpley hue. As you guys can see, it gets really, really bright, and it's really bad. You don't want to ever be exposed to that light for too long. It's basically like the tanning bed light. So I'm going to go ahead and throw these bad boys into my ice box for 4 hours and then show you guys the results and wrap up this video.
Yeah. Hey. ISO. Hey. Indies. Savvy. Hey. Back on deck on my fly. Really on my. Pay some respect to my mindset. Head blowing smoke, catch a contact. Really mad they can't stop us. Back on the scene, young conscious. Always been me, young poppin'. I ain't really here for the gossip, nah. Blah, 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 yum. Try to play me, but you tried it. Way too wavy, gotta ride it. Pull up on you, yeah, we sliding. Make our eyes roll when I slide in. Neck on wrist on shaman. Tell them say less, no comment. And we only here for the commas.
Ay, pull up and hop out, we sliding. Loaded away from beside me. Be lying, skating on days, we gliding. I'm hitting that in the driving.
Hitting that while we vibing. You know I be on that time and light up, I'm firing. Dress it up, yeah, I be styling. Eat up the drip, she be dining. Straight to the top, she be climbing. We the ones that they admire. All of these expiring. Ice of the boss and we hiring. Raising the hood where it's sirens. They hopping on ship like a pirate.
Ay, ay, driving the boat and I came for the loot and the tragedy. Be hating, do better. Dropping them ashes, done burn me a hole in my sweater. I'm stingy, I'm holding this cheddar.
Holding this cheese, living more better. Smoking these doobies with Xavier. We keep the gravy. Yeah, we too groovy. We keep it unruly. Know it's yours truly. Smoke a big head, call it Stewie. Bad chick wanna do me. Thick and she coolie. She busted open like a Uzi. I busted, then I'm back to duty. Call of Duty, I'm online with it.
That is all I have for you guys. That's how you properly restore an Adidas YEEZY 350 Zebra. Personally, it's one of my favorite pairs of shoes I have yet to own, any Adidas or Yeezys, realistically, because I stick to the swoosh. I'm a Nike guy at heart, but this is that one pair that I definitely would cross over and probably add to my collection. As you guys can see, we deep cleaned the uppers, did a mini session of icing on the bottom. Really, all I ask is you guys simply like this video. If you happen to be new here, please feel free to subscribe to the channel. You can also check out my Instagram right here. That's where I post a lot of my content and what I'm working on. Anyways, I'm tired of rambling. Until the next one, guys. Peace.
In God we trust. All these looking odd to us. Riding way just like they ride the bus. Them pretty wanna ride my